a real life stop motion.
I've seen this before.
Oh, you've seen this?
Yeah, it was on my Instagram or something, but it's very cool. How does he do it? I still don't really know. The sound effects. He's like pushing this person.
That's a lot of coordination.
It really is. I'm trying to think, is there an easy way of...
Oh, that's the killer at the end? Jeez. Took a turn right there.
And a bus comes in.
Took a turn right there. Yeah, so basically what we're looking at here is a guy's holding a camera out and sort of manipulating the environment, including another character, but by using his hand in front of the camera lens.
Kind of like pinch zoom style.
Yeah, and creating a stop motion effect. I guess that they...
Do you think that she's doing this and then he's just
yeah,
like
maybe.
separate layers? You know what I mean?
I don't know.
Because if this is all done
In one shot?
that's really
It's
quite
really
amazing.
impressive.
Yeah. Because his pinches have to map with like zooms. I mean,
I don't know.
it's really hard to tell.
I think it's separate layers as well. I think
Pretty
it's
cool.
added after the fact, but it's still convincing.
Still well done.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty interesting. I don't know to what extent you can exploit it, like how many of these,
Right. Yeah.
but it is like a cool little hack or technique or something.